Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, in today's class, we are going to learn about the third chapter, that is government. So, before starting with this chapter, let me ask you one question. What do you mean by government? Do you know what is government? Think about it. See, over here there is a picture of some newspaper headlines in which mostly it is the information regarding our government, right, or the decisions which are being made by our government. So let's begin with this chapter. See, the first line itself says you must have come across the word government in newspaper, radio and TV. So many times you must have listened to these words, or you must have heard somewhere that government has decided to do this, a government made this rule, a government made that rule, right? So basically, who is government, right? What is government? What function does it perform, and what is its importance in our lives, right? So basically, what do a government do, or what does it, what functions does it perform, or what is the important, why do we need government, right? Do we need a government? Think about it. If there was no government, what would have happened? So we will study about the government in this lesson. So as I told you earlier that we are going to study about the government in this chapter. You must be aware that a country needs a government to make laws as per its constitution, takes decision and implement them. So basically, a government, what does it do is it makes laws as per its constitution. Everyone knows what is constitution, right? So if you don't know, let me explain. Constitution is basically a rule book which a government needs, right? So as if you don't know, or whether if you know, I know that you know that our India is a democratic country, right? So for a democratic country it is compulsory to have a constitution, right? So basically constitution contains all the rules and regulations regarding the nation or world, right? The decisions which are being taken by the nation, or if the, like, anything related to our nation, that is written in our constitution. So basically a government makes laws as per the constitution and takes decisions and implements them. It takes many decisions and implements them. See, the rules of the constitution are mentioned in it. So what does the government do is they make laws so that the rule of constitution should be followed, right? So for example, where should school and roads be constructed? So these decisions are to be taken by the government, that where should a school be built, or where should roads be constructed, should the rate of different commodities be increased or decreased. So how to ensure that electricity is supplied to everyone? See, these are the different problems the government faces and they take decisions on it, right? See, should the rates of different commodities, right, should the rates, that means the price of different things, be increased or decreased, or is there electricity there is electricity everywhere, right? These decisions need to be taken by the government. So decisions such as these are usually taken by the government, and basically these types of decisions, right, regarding the roads, construction, schools and prices and electricity, everything, water, This all things or this all decisions need to be taken by the government. Thus the government performs a very important function. So this is why we need a government, right? We, like, in our family we need a head, right? For example, if we live in a joint family, the grandfather is the head, right? If we live in a single family, that is when a four people live, that is a father, mother, and there are two kids or one kids, right? At that time the father takes all the decisions, right? In the same way, if we need to take decisions regarding the nation, we need a government, right? We need a particular team to manage all the things in the nation. So that is why government is made. We come to know about government's work through the media. And how do we come to know that what is government doing and what are their decisions? So we come to know through media, which means different means of mass communication such as telephone, newspaper, radio, etc. So basically the government takes decision on the behalf of public and for the welfare of public. So our next topic is the functions of government. What does a government do? So the government is like a managing community, as I told you earlier that it is like a managing community, right? The head who manages all the things. Usually in a democracy, the government works as per the wishes of the people and for their welfare. So our country is a democratic country. Over here all the people have the right to choose their government. So the government takes decision according to the public's demand and for their welfare means for their betterment. The government also takes various steps to solve the economic and social problems of the people. They also take many economic, that means related to money, and social, that means related to people. They take decisions for these problems. It is concerned about the nation's economic condition and problems of poverty, unemployment, literacy, health, etc. So government is not only responsible for the food, water and electricity, but they also need to take care of the poverty means in Hindi it is called as garibi, right? Unemployment, that means the people who don't get jobs, and illiteracy, that means the people who don't have money to study, their health, etc. So this all things need to be taken care by the government. It also provides various facilities like making low priced food grains available through ration shops, assistance during disasters and calamities, establishing education institution and hospitals. So the government is not only responsible for their health and unemployment and poverty and economic conditions, but they also need to take care that the people who cannot afford food, so they can so the government has to make some food grains available in a low price in their ration shops. And they also need to take care about the disasters or any natural calamities, right? If there is an earthquake or cyclone or any emergency of any disease, what will the government do? That decisions also, or they need to be planned, or they need to be prepared for that. Along with that, they also need to take care of education and hospitals and many, and run services means or transportation services such as transport, judiciary, post and telegraph, railways, etc. The government also maintains friendly relation with other countries. So they also need to take care about the run services, that means transportation facilities, such as transport, then judiciary, post, telegram, railways, etc. This all things need to be taken care by the government. Along with that, they also have to maintain friendly relationships or friendly relations with other countries. So here I'm going to stop with our session. We will continue the the chapter in our next class. Thank you.